It is more risky not to invest in the stock market. This is something I firmly believe in. Not only inflation is going up as we spoke about earlier, but the problem is you are relying on a job which requires your health, and that alone is a big gamble. You don't know if your employer is going to fire you tomorrow. You don't know what's going to happen. But what you do know is if you build a steady portfolio that pays dividends over time, you can count on that forever. You can pass it on to your kids. Your kids do not want your job. You couldn't even pass it on if you wanted to. And if you had a business, there's no guarantee they're going to take it over. They have different goals and dreams. You can pass on your stock portfolio to your kids. Who doesn't want free money? If you have $100,000, every year that is being eaten away. Gas is getting more expensive, homes are getting more expensive, travel is getting more expensive, as opposed to putting your money to work. Your money has to work for you.